Now, we will analyze this table in under 30 seconds and gather all the insights with just a few clicks. Your performance analysis will be ready like magic. First, select the table, including the header. Go to our ad on the Select Analyze Table menu. Click to update the range of the input table automatically. Choose the AI model. We recommend selecting the most advanced AI model, such as GPT-4, for a better analysis. Choose the output location. We will output the analysis below the table. The analysis is now ready. You can double-check every fact in the analysis to ensure all details are correct.